Greetings to you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ from the Diocese of Allahabad. I am happy to invite you to participate in the online carol singing competition organized by the Diocese of Allahabad. The rules and regulations for the competitions are: the competition is held for carols in English and Hindi separately. The group can sing only a single carol, self-composed or traditional. Medley of carols is not permitted. Maximum participants, including instrumentalists, is 24. Minimum participants, including instrumentalists, is 8. Singers and instrumentalists should be seen on stage. The maximum duration for singing is 5 minutes. All the entries should come on behalf of a parish or a church. Hence, a list of participants duly certified by the parish priest or pastor should be uploaded. Religious and institutions can send participation on behalf of the parish only. Though we said earlier that the competitions is only for Christians. However, on request from various parts of North India, we are permitting non-Christians too to be the part of the singing. There can be more than one entry from a same parish, provided the participants are different. The instrumentalists or singers cannot participate in two groups of the same language. However, the singers and instrumentalists of English carols may participate in Hindi carols too. You shall record a single focus video of the singing on a landscape mode. Upload the file on the Google Drive without editing and send the link through Google Form. The detail of the link of the Google Form is given in the description of this channel. Edited clips will be disqualified and will not be considered for the competition. Criteria for judging are vocals, synchronization, presentation, audio-video clarity, and views. The last date for the submission of the video via Google Form is 21st December 2020 by 8 p.m. For any clarification, kindly contact us on the numbers displayed on the bottom of this page. I wish everyone best of luck, and we look forward to receive your videos on the carols on 21st 12/2020 or before. Have a good day.